Hey there! Welcome back to My English World, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today we are exploring the difference between used to, be used to, and get used to. These three phrases can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, we are here to clear it up with plenty of examples. Let's start with used to. Used to is used to talk about habits or states in the past that no longer happen and they are no longer true. So it's perfect for back in the day moments. Like I used to play basketball every weekend. So it's a past habit that has already changed. Or she used to live in New York, but now she lives in London. So it's a past state that has changed. We used to go to the beach every summer. It's a repeated past activity. Be used to, it's all about being comfortable or familiar with something in the present. It's like saying something is normal for you right now. Like, I'm used to waking up early. It's normal for me now. She's used to speaking in public, so she finds it normal and okay. And they're used to cold weather, so they have already adapted to it. Now, get used to. It's about something that is in the process of becoming familiar or comfortable. It's like going from not quite there to it's okay now. Like, I'm getting used to my new job. So I'm in the process of becoming comfortable with it. Or he's getting used to living in a big city, so he's adjusting to city life. And they're getting used to speaking English every day, so they're adapting to speaking English regularly, like our students are. A quick recap. Used to, it's some past habit. Be used to, I'm okay with it now. And get used to, it's the process of becoming comfortable. Don't forget to use an ing form of the verb after be used to and get used to. Like, I'm used to eating spicy food. But I used to eat, infinitive, spicy food. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up and share with your friends who are already learning English, because you know that sharing is caring. Don't forget to subscribe to My English World for more tips and tricks. And if you need more live practice, then join us at My English World School of English. I'm leaving the link in the description to the video below. See you next time!